Hey, it's Melissa with WTI. That's not me playing the piano. That is this most adorable swing that my son absolutely loves. Now this swing is amazing not only because it comes with a remote control, but also because it plays lullabies. It really is so peaceful, isn't it? I mean, I feel myself getting tired just talking through this, but let's push through and talk about the many other benefits that this swing has to offer, shall we? We're going to go ahead and select pause. It really caught my interest that it makes the swaying motion back and forth, not like a typical rocker, but almost like the swinging of a mother's arms. So I like to rock my son by swinging him back and forth, and that's the same motion that this rocker makes, and my son really does get comfort out of it. So the touch screen is amazing on this swing. You can even use a volume button to turn your music up or down. I love that it has a canopy that you can attach or detach easily, so that if you want to take it outside, it definitely can function in that area too, because it even has a mesh lining so that it will keep pests away. Another thing that I love is that maybe you do take it outside in the summer and you don't want your baby to overheat. Well, it has a mesh backing to it, so it's gonna get airflow through. The only thing that I wish this swing had was one in my size, because this is so cool. I really do love it. I think you're gonna love it too, and that's my point of view.